YouTube, this is another video brought to you by Mic2, and for this video I'm going to show you how to turn your Samsung S7 device into a spy camera. So this is quite useful, especially for baby monitor camera or video, or even to spy on your colleague. Probably they keep coming to your room trying to mess things up. You can use this one to catch them in their act. So if you're ready for this, let's get to it. Guys, so to start with the installation, there are a few prerequisites that you need to make sure it's sorted. First off, head to your settings. So in settings, make sure you scroll down to the lock screen and security. Check that. Scroll down to the unknown sources. Make sure that one is selected. Once you have that enabled, I'll put a link right below the video for the IP webcam APK file. So you download that, and once you download that, you should see that in your download folder. So I have it here in my download folder, right at the very top. So you select it, and the installation will begin. So just follow through the installation as normal. You click on open. Once the installation is done, and you'll be presented with the IP webcam. Right, so here you have it. Everything is lovely. There's a lot of settings. There are a lot of things that you can do with this: motion detection, power management, effect night vision. All these things you can do here, and you can obviously set up sensors as well. So let's check the sensor. So the sensor, you can set it to detect any sort of motion event, and then turn on the camera. Pressure sensor, accelerometer, magnetic field, gyrometer, light sensor, proximity sensor. So there's a lot of stuff you can do with this beautiful app. So once you set up, you need to make sure that you note down the port number. So that's what you're going to use. And if your network, because the way this one works is that the device have to be on the same network as the monitoring source. So make sure that if the network you're on is on IP version 6, then you change that to IPv6. If not, then you can leave it at the default of IPv4. Right, so to start the service, you just have to go straight to the very bottom of the page. Make sure you click on the Start Server. Once you click on Start Server, it will start the video. So as you can see here, that's the video. So what you can do is, right, you can go to any computer on the same network and view it. But if you look very closely at the bottom of the page, you find the IP address. So look closely. So the IP address, as you can see, is right there at the bottom of that page. Alright, here you go. So that's the IP address right there. So you have to go on a computer, make sure you type in the IP address and that port number, and that you're good to go. So now on my computer, I simply type in the IP address of the camera and the port number as well, right in the address bar. So once I type that in there, this is the page that I got. And when I click on flash, as you can see right there, now I can see the video feed. So if I move the camera around, as you can see, that's the video feed right there. It's nice and lovely. So you can hide the camera somewhere safe. Make sure the camera is on, and you have a complete video feed that you can obviously spy on your colleague, or use it as a baby monitor or Skype session, wherever fancy your taste. So that's how it's set. So I'm just going to pop the camera right there for a few seconds and look at the other options that we got. So let's see. So if you scroll down the page, as you can see, there is a lot of stuff you can do. You can even set up a label whereby it records certain feeds. So for example, if you catch someone in the act doing something that you want to record and show as a proof, you can easily start a recording, manual recording, or record secular. So keep looping. And if you scroll further down, There are other options as well, so you can take a photo shot as well, a photograph. You can make sure that you save it to the storage device on that computer you're on. If you click on the advanced section, we have night vision, gain, and other stuff that you can do here. Flash mode, you can turn on the flash if you choose to. You can zoom in as well, change the quality of the stream, but the quality, the more high quality it is, the latency of the video feed. So there's a lot of stuff you can actually do with this beautiful app. And if you go at the very top, there are other things as well that you can do. So you can see here, if you got a camera or Android device, you can use a TinyCam monitor. So with a TinyCam monitor, you just download that onto your other Android device. You can use that one to receive the video feed as well. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video. If this one helped you out, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.